My name is Nuno and I represent Transalpino DMC Portugal. Portugal is a great place, it's a fantastic place. It's very fancy nowadays and our passion in Transalpino is Portugal, our country, our mainland. As nobody, we can show to foreign people, to our clients, to all our friends, what a fantastic country we have in Portugal. Transalpino DMC Portugal has a lot of history in the past. We have 40 years of knowledge, of experience, everything to put at your service. Whenever you need to come to visit us, you are very welcome. Portugal is the right place for your event, for your incentive, for your company. Trust us that we can add a lot of value.